Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming which device reports not ready and why. This narrows repair steps. Once identified, check cables, ports, and power. Loose or failing connections often cause the error. Next, open an elevated command prompt and disk management. These tools let you query status and attempt fast fixes. Make sure to remove hubs or adapters first. They can mask device faults. You're beginning with actions that reveal whether the problem is configuration, connection, or hardware. Now dig deeper. Run chkdsk with appropriate flags to repair file system errors. chkdsk/r takes longer but checks sectors. If the disk remains offline, use diskpart to list disks, select the target, and attempt attributes disk clear read-only or online. Once done, attempt mounting or assigning a drive letter in disk management. Also test the device on a different computer to separate OS issues from hardware faults, and run smart diagnostics to assess drive. Finish by trying controlled data recovery if you can read sectors. Use dedicated tools to image the device first, then recover files from the image. If the drive firmware or controller appears faulty, check vendor updates or swap the enclosure controller. This can restore access. Once you've recovered data or determined failure, replace the unit. If problems persist, here's one key tip. Stop writing to the device and seek professional recovery. Continued use can worsen damage and reduce recovery chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.